Vitamin D, illuminating the way to sensory restoration. Vitamin D, often renowned as the sunshine vitamin, is a crucial nutrient for overall health and well-being, including the specific restoration of taste and smell. Its roles in immune function, cellular repair, and inflammation reduction make it a key player in recovering these senses after an infection or other health issues. This chapter delves into the benefits of vitamin D for sensory health, its sources, and its implications in healing. Understanding vitamin D and sensory function. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining the health of bones, teeth, and the immune system. It also plays a significant role in the functioning of the nervous system and the health of sensory organs. Here's how vitamin D contributes to the recovery of taste and smell. Immune modulation. Vitamin D is known for its role in modulating the immune system. A robust immune system is crucial for recovering from infections that can impair taste and smell. By enhancing immune response and reducing inflammation, vitamin D can help the body heal from conditions affecting these senses. Neural health. Vitamin D receptors are found in many parts of the brain and are involved in brain development and function. Adequate levels of this vitamin are important for the proper functioning of the nervous system, including the nerves involved in taste and smell. Cellular repair. Vitamin D is involved in cell growth and repair. It helps in the regeneration of damaged cells, including those in the sensory pathways, thereby aiding in the recovery of lost or diminished senses. Sources of vitamin D. To maintain adequate levels of vitamin D, consider the following sources. Sunlight. The skin synthesizes vitamin D upon exposure to sunlight. Regular, moderate exposure to sunlight can help maintain vitamin D levels. Dietary sources. Foods such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, tuna, egg yolks, and fortified foods, milk, cereal are good sources of vitamin D. Supplements. For individuals with limited sun exposure or dietary restrictions, vitamin D supplements can be an effective way to ensure adequate intake. Vitamin D supplementation for sensory recovery. While sunlight and diet are natural ways to obtain vitamin D, supplementation might be necessary, especially for individuals at risk of deficiency or those recovering from sensory loss. Here's why supplementation can be crucial. Adequate dosage. Supplements provide a reliable and measurable source of vitamin D, ensuring that individuals can consume an adequate and consistent dosage. Year-round availability. For those living in areas with limited sunlight during certain months, supplements offer a way to maintain vitamin D levels throughout the year. Targeted support. Individuals experiencing loss of taste and smell may require higher doses of vitamin D to support recovery, which can be more easily managed through supplementation. Dr. Mercola is a leading expert in vitamin D and sells high-quality vitamin D supplements on his website, mercola.com, and on amazon.com. Most people in the modernized world are vitamin D deficient. You can get your vitamin D and other levels tested at home by purchasing a test through Mercola's site or amazon.com. Vitamin D plays a multifaceted role in maintaining and restoring health, including the senses of taste and smell. Its impact on immune function, neural health, and cellular repair makes it a valuable nutrient in the journey to sensory recovery. Whether through natural sunlight, diet, or supplementation, ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D is crucial for overall health and the restoration of impaired senses.
Would you like to become the healer of your home and your community and create a profitable online health coaching business? Are you interested in becoming a health coach, a naturopath, an herbalist, or a nutritionist? Do you need help finding the right program for studying holistic health and healing? Or perhaps you already have certification, but you're still not confident enough in healing people and don't know how to build a business that will empower you to have an impact and allow you to leave your regular day job. Are you ready to get a deep and comprehensive picture of holistic health and healing and learn from top healers in our day so that you can stop being stuck in a job or a career you don't have a passion for? Heal yourself and others without the need for pharmaceutical drugs with harmful side effects, doctors, or even dentists. Become more knowledgeable about holistic health and healing than most medical doctors who have graduated from medical school without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of time in expensive medical schools or programs. Build a health coaching business that will allow you to work from home and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Arukah.com empowers people to become the healers of their home and their community by equipping them with naturopathic herbalism, health coaching, and online business and marketing skills. My name is Mayim. I'm 42 years old and a homeschool mom of 7 beautiful children. These 2 in the photo are my October babies. I became a naturopathic herbalist and health coach in order to take charge of my family's health when the modern medical system kept failing us. We were spending thousands of dollars on insurance and other medical expenses, but they did not have any answers for our health problems. Working from home has been such a blessing for us. I used to work at the NASA Ames Research Center as a computer scientist/engineer. But being able to have an online business has enabled me to surpass my income at NASA and to be there for my family, homeschool them, take care of them, watch them grow up every step of the way for 18 years now. I started Arukah.com in 2009 to help people become healthy and heal themselves. I've coached all sorts of people, and eventually even medical doctors and nurses started coming to me repeatedly for help for various health issues for themselves or their loved ones. I help people heal themselves of serious diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure, diabetes, as well as other common issues such as hormone imbalances, abnormal bleeding, migraines, eczema, kidney stones, gallstones, cataracts, and even urinary tract infection. Various people began asking me to start teaching what I know about holistic health and healing, including 2 medical doctors who have become very good friends of mine. When I realized that there was such a demand for the knowledge I have that even medical doctors were telling me to teach, I shifted the focus of Arukah.com, and now we teach people how to become confident healers through our naturopathic herbalist and health coach certification program. We help people become healers of their home and community and create profitable online health coaching businesses. If you're interested in becoming a holistic healer, please visit our website, Arukah.com, ARUKAH.com. Again, that's ARUKAH.com. Hope to see you there.